Get all of your cylinders firing at full force with Zero In. A backlog of work, lack of concentration, insufficient energy, high stress levels. We've all had days like this, and just a healthy diet and exercise don't seem enough to restore vitality. But nature offers the best sources of energy, and at Root, we found a way to make the most of them and to create a unique and powerful nutraceutical product. Thanks to Zero In's carefully selected and combined ingredient formula, your physical and most especially cognitive performance will be dramatically enhanced. This combination of ingredients, including vitamin D, coffee plant leaves extract, velvet bean seed powder, pine bark extract, and turmeric root extract, is especially designed to increase cognitive function and mental acuity while clearing your mind and providing greater focus. Additional benefits include improved immune system, improved dopamine and serotonin balance, more restful sleep, improved mood, reduced stress, and improved physical performance. Awaken your mind and your body. Focus your brain naturally.